Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth, and if this is your first time stopping by, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe to join this family, like this video, drop a comment and share. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be installing this gorgeous hair I got from Matty's Hair. So I got this gorgeous ginger hair, this is how it comes. This gorgeous piece, I got it from Matty's Hair. So I'm going to be installing this hair today for the first time attempting to install a frontal wig. It's a T-frontal wig, so you can see. So I'm going to be installing it. So let's go. Let's get right into the video. Yes, guys. So I was not really feeling the length of this wig. I felt like it was too long personally for me. And so I had to trim it a little bit to my desired length. So I'm gently brushing the hair and trimming it with a sharp scissors. Trimming it with a sharp scissors so as not to ruin the trim or the hair. Okay, so guys, I already cut it and this is what it's looking like now. I think I prefer this length to how it was before. I think I prefer this to how it was before. So let's start. So to start, I'm laying my hair back with my edge control just so it won't be in the way. And I'm also wearing my wig cap. Yes, I'm using a black wig cap, even though most people use the nude wig cap, but I add the black wig cap and I just wanted to work with it. I'm also trying to tint the lace with my brown powder just so it matches my skin color a bit. So I'm wearing the hair now and trying to adjust it to my hairline. Even though I still shifted it back so as to be able to use my spray on it, which is my got to be glued blasting freeze spray. So I'm spraying it on my hairline, as you can see, spraying it on my hairline, and then I'll go in with my hand dryer to dry it for a little bit. So you want it to get a little bit dry so to be tacky and to allow the lace to sit properly. So after that, I'm bringing it back and holding it in to properly glue to the hairline. So you hold it for few seconds just so it glues properly. This is my first time doing this, guys. Don't blame me. I don't know why, but don't blame me. So I'm going in again with my hair dryer just to make the hair really glue to my hairline. And now I'm cutting the lace with my scissors. And I'll be cutting it in parts just so it will be easier to take off all the lace later on. And then I noticed that the side of my hair, the lace wasn't really glued to that part, and I had to spray and then dry it back again. So I'm still cutting the lace and then I'll go in with my razor, my face blade, to properly cut out the lace. Now I'm going in with my scarf, even though I feel like I should have done this earlier, but better late than never. I went in with my scarf while combing my hair and feeling myself, and then I went in with my hair dryer as well to properly dry down this lace. And after that, I took out the scarf and observe my work. Observe what I've done. Not bad. Now I'm going to be parting the hair. I'm going for an half part. So I'm just parting the hair with my cotton comb, giving it a parting and then brushing it out. And at some point, I was contemplating putting baby hairs, but I do not want to spoil this old thing that I've done. So I just left it like that. I didn't even tweeze. I didn't pluck out anything. Yes, I know I didn't, but I'm definitely going to do that in my next install. So I'm going in with my hair wax just to lay down my hair. And one thing I noticed after the whole install was that I didn't place the lace forward, like I didn't place it at the front of my hairline. It was like sitting back. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. It was sitting back, and I've really taken note of that. Next time, I won't do that. Now I'm putting powder because I noticed that I kind of ruined my makeup. So I'm putting powder on my face just to fix that. And yeah, this is how my install came out. I was just trying to brush the hair to make it smooth, and I was feeling myself basically. So guys, what do you think about my install? My beginner friendly install. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Yes, I enjoyed making it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.